personalization specialist. This is Lori Champagne with another helpful engraving tip. The first thing that I want to tell you is when you visit a trade show, don't just visit the booth of the people who make the machines that you own. Visit other booths because other booths have different jigs. And just because your jig is made for your machine, it doesn't mean that a jig from another machine can't fit yours. This one right here is actually made by Signature. I have a Signature machine, but I happen to love this one because of its versatility. Now, second tip I'm going to tell you is there is no reason you can't adjust the jigs to make them easier for you. When I received this jig, it was all black along the holes. Personally, I had trouble figuring out which hole corresponded with which one on each of the 4 sides, so I simply painted them all similar colors, and now I can find it easily. This old wizard jig didn't have a ruler on it, so I made a ruler to go on top of it. Now, going back to what I said about fitting other machines, as you can see on this jig, it just sits on a rail. There's no reason you can't put your 2 wizard jigs together and hold on to this. There we go, like that. Squeeze it in, and it's ready to go for you. Also, Signature makes a circular jig that holds on to this. So you can just slide it in and then put it in the 4 pegs on your engraver so that you can twist and turn it in any direction you want. Now, what I particularly like about this jig is it has little screw holes and comes with pegs. Now, these pegs actually also come with their ring engraver, and some have larger gullies and some have smaller ones. But you can screw them in however you want, and it's made for the rotary attachment, but it doesn't have to be used for that. So this is Lori Champagne reminding you to never stop creating.